Everyone, so today I'm gonna fix a sound problem of this Honda Fit. It comes from the rear. It's a lot of noise when I drive or in the highway or any uneven road. So let's fix this, guys. Guys, the problem is pretty simple. It comes from underneath here. As you can see, it's not fully attached, supposed to be fully fitted. And if you hear sound here, if you do like that, you hear sound. So let's just open this. Okay, I kind of need the both hand, but alright guys, so I just opened this. You can see a lot of this. I don't see any missing. Only 2 is missing, or maybe 3. Okay, and that could be the reason. Actually 4, 5, and that's why it's not fully working good. That's why I need to put them. So guys, here is the 5. Let's put them in the different color, but it's fine. If it's missing, that's why it could be making noise. It's only 4. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, I have to remove this and that. Okay, so let's check inside. Alright guys, I don't see anything that could make noise. Okay, so everything looks good. This is pretty old, maybe needs some adjustment, but it's working good. Let's just put this back. So I put 3. Now I'm gonna just push it. It looks on the place already right now. No. So this should not be making any more noise, guys, and I just thought I share. And you can easily open it, just pry it out, that's it, and put this order from Amazon or Temu. Anyway guys, you guys have a great day.